It's time for another lather testing demonstration. This is the Kombucha soap that I created, and it has lemon peel in it, and it also has lemon essential oil in it. You can see all of the creaminess on that bar and the creaminess that gets on my hand. Kombucha soap is really amazing. It's so much like lotion. Most of my soaps are like lotion on your skin. And it's not really a bubbly lather, it's more of a real creamy lather. And that lemon is so refreshing. And I was hoping that some of this lemon peel in the lower part of it would be more exfoliating. And it may be as the bar is used up. The next one will be my 100% coconut oil and clay. This is more of a manly bar. It has cedarwood essential oil in it, and this has a wonderful lather because it's 100% coconut oil, and coconut oil is known for its lather. Wet him down. I have all kinds of clay in here. I have an Australian green. I have some kaolin. Look at all those bubbles. That's what's produced from a coconut oil soap. Coconut oil is great for the man in your life. It does a really good job of cleaning. And the antimicrobial properties in the coconut oil help to get rid of a lot of odors and whatnot. But there's all that lather from that coconut oil bar. The next one is my Dandelion soap. Now this is made with dandelion tea and dandelion infused olive oil. And I've done a demonstration on my dandelion soap from last year, but this is my new one. It's only a couple weeks old right now. It still has a ways to go before it's ready. A couple more weeks or so. But look at that. Look at all of that creaminess and those bubbles that you're getting from that soap. That is an amazing bar of soap. It's just as luxurious as any of the others, but it's going to do a great job of cleaning and getting those germs off of you. This one is the Oat Milk and Honey. It's very nice. It also is producing a really nice lather. Just doesn't dry you out at all because the glycerin that is created in the saponification process is actually still in that bar. So that glycerin is going to make your skin nice and soft even after you've washed your hands with it. Then this one is my Neem Turmeric, and I actually have several bars of this that are just small like this that I am more than happy to send to any of you for the price of the little sliver and the postage if you're interested in trying it. Anybody who has my soaps realizes that they're all very moisturizing, and they produce a really nice lather. Whoops. Chasing around there. So that is the Neem and Turmeric soap. And the last one is my activated charcoal and clay. And this one is activated charcoal and rose, kale and clay. The activated charcoal will stain cloths that you might use to wash with. It will rinse off, but there will be some residue from the activated charcoal because the activated charcoal does not dissolve in water. But look at that lather that you get. It's amazing. It's a really wonderful soap to use. You can see there's no black bubbles, no black lather, but the activated charcoal will stain any cloth that you use. So I like to use a scrubby when I do my activated charcoal. I also like to use a dark washcloth, like a black one. Now this activated charcoal is something I just cut this morning, and this is going to be yellow. This is French yellow clay, along with some yellow oxide to make it more yellow, and then the activated charcoal. This one has lavender and sweet orange essential oils in them. And we'll see after just a couple days what kind of lather we get out of this one. Same lather as the other one. There we are. So, thank you for joining me in my demonstration. I just have really clean hands right now. I've just washed the same hands 7 times. But please check out my Lauren Cares Naturals Facebook page, and if you have any questions about any one of these soaps, just let me know. Also, let me know if anybody would like to have me make a specific soap for them. I have done a couple custom soaps here in the past month and would be glad to do a custom soap for you. So if you're interested in something specific and we can talk it through, then I'd be glad to do that for you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.